Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at Stella, the OST to PST converter tool. Let's get right into it. So you might come across a situation with a customer as an IT professional that you need to convert an OST file to a PST file. Whether you need to access emails from that mailbox and that mailbox was deleted from the Exchange server, then you can do that if that OST file is on that local computer that was connected to that Exchange server. You were facing issues with synchronization within Outlook to an Exchange server. You may need to migrate the emails to a different platform, or recreate or rebuild an OST file in case the Exchange server was crashed, or God forbid a disaster happened with that Exchange server. You might need to move the Outlook OST file to another disk. Maybe there's a second hard drive of that in that computer, and you just want to convert that to a PST. You might need to change the location of the OST file. These are just some examples of why you would maybe need to convert an OST file to a PST file. Today I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and use it. So first thing you're going to want to do is go to stellainfo.com. You're going to go to the OST to PST converter tool. You're going to do free download. Now the free download, yes, it's going to be a little bit limited. You're going to be able to convert that file, but you're going to be in a read-only access. Of course, you can do this to test it to make sure it's going to work, and then you can obviously then buy the software then. But at least you can do the read-only access and be able to see if it's actually going to work. So since we already have it downloaded here, I just downloaded it again. But I'm going to go ahead and double click on that exe. We're going to run and install it. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of skim through this real quick. But it's like any installation, just skim through. Everything looks good. It's going to create an icon on the desktop here for us, which is nice. We already have a demo mailbox. That's an OST. I'm going to drag that right there to our desktop so you can see we have a OST file here. So we're done installation, hit finish, and we're going to close out of this. Let us know our installation is complete. We're going to double click and run our converter software. Now this is really nice. We just launched the software and this popped up saying configure profiles. So this wants to automatically find any profiles on this machine. So you can do list profile. Now of course we're not going to have any of that come up. And you can also do choose manually, and that's what we're going to do. But sometimes it'll actually already find your profile. You could select it and then convert it. It's going to be that easy. But in our instance, we don't have anything set up in our Outlook, so we got to browse to our OST file, which is on the desktop. So we're going to go to desktop, select our OST file, and then wait for it to load, and you can hit convert. It's that easy. This will take some time depending on the mailbox size, but as soon as it gets done here, we'll continue on. Alright, as you can see, it just completed the conversion. We got that pop-up, click on OK, and you can actually now browse to all the different emails, and you can see attachments, if there were attachments in the files. I mean, it's pretty cool. You can basically see everything you could if you were in Outlook, right? You can see their contacts, contact cards, calendar items. I mean, this is all pretty cool. It's almost like you're in a little small Outlook. I mean, they even got the little icons here. This is very intuitive, very nice, and easy to use. You don't have to be an IT technician to do this. This is pretty simple to do. So now that we have the OST to PST converted, now we want to save it to an Outlook data file, right? Now we can go ahead and hit save and convert file. Now, of course, you're going to need the activation key to do this part, but at least you have read access and you know it will work. So we're going to go ahead and put in our activation key here to complete this now. If you don't have an activation key, just hit get it now and it'll take you right to their website where you can purchase their product. Alright, we got the activation complete icon. Okay. Alright, so now we are given the option to save as the PST, message file, EML, HTML, PDF, which is nice, but we're going to do PST because that's what we're looking for. We're going to save it to our desktop, hit OK. And I like that it actually gives you the option to recover deleted items, so that's pretty nice. Let's go to OK on that. It's going to be saving it to our desktop, and then we should be able to open up our Outlook to then view and import the PST file into our Outlook. Alright, it just let us know that it converted it and it's on our desktop, so we're going to get OK. We're going to minimize this for now, and you can see we have our PST file. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and open up Outlook, and we'll be able to go and open up this PST now. So go to File, Open, and then Open PST File. We're going to browse to our desktop because that's where we have it saved. And there it is, Demo Mailbox Converted PST. So let's go ahead and double click on that and we should get another drop down here with that PST file. And there we go, Stella converted from OST. Scroll down, look where it says top of Outlook data file. I'm going to branch that down, click on inbox in here. There's all your emails now, and you can click on them and you'll be able to view them and open them up. Alright, that's how you can convert a OST to a PST file, open it up in Outlook, and view those emails, and then you can move these or restore them or whatever you need to do. But real quick, before we end this video, we're going to go back here. I just want to show you some other tools you can do within the software. You can use find message to be able to find a message, because let's say you just want to open up an OST file just to export a particular email, right? So just go and click on an email that's got some text here, like this one. We're going to right click it, and you can do save as HTML or save to PDF. But let's do save to HTML. Click OK. It's going to be pretty quick. It's just doing that one message. Click on open, and you can see it converted to an HTML file. You just need to convert one email or something. You have that capability and option to do that within the software if you need something really quick. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I hope you check out the Stella converter from OST to PST. And if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.